Next airdrop we're going to do is Textile. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel. This one here, you're going to have to put my referral name down at the bottom here when you do it. And I'll have the description box below. There will be the email that you put in here. That will be the email you put in for the referral. It will be in the description box. So we're going to start this off. We're going to pop this up here. We're going to go tag 4 friends in their Twitter post. First thing we're going to do is follow this. This is their pin post here. We're going to like their pin post. I like this airdrop. We're going to retweet this with a comment, and you're going to put 4 people up in the box up here. So just copy and paste one up into here. And then we'll copy and paste one more into here. Paste that in. Just paste that right into here for a third one. And then we'll paste the 4th one into here. Copy and paste. Just use that in your referral form. Like I said, it'll be in the description box below. We're going to retweet this post. We're going to go back to this airdrop form here. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to their chat. We're going to open that on here. We're going to join the group right here. Next, we're going to join their Telegram channel. We're going to open that up. We're going to join their channel. We're going to come down here. Let's take a look at their coin Greco. See what they're doing here. If they've got it up and running. This is running at 55 cents a coin right now, actually. Yeah, so this is about a $12 to $15 airdrop, depending on where it's sitting. Hasn't been trading in a while. So the next thing we're going to do is put our Telegram username in there. So we'll copy and paste our Telegram username right into there. Next, it wants your Twitter username. And we'll just copy and paste our Twitter username right into there. Next, it wants your email. We'll just copy and paste our email right into there. Next, it wants your ERC20 wallet. And we will just copy and paste our ERC20 wallet into there. And like I said, put my name in the referral. I'll make sure this is in the description box below. It helps out the channel. And that's the end of this airdrop. Make sure you hit the submit button. And we will submit this airdrop. And that's the end of it. It's been recorded. We're off and on to the next one.